Are you studying at home or even at school? Feel a little stuck and somewhat bored? Well then stay tuned to my YouTube as I welcome you back to the drawing board.
Hi! Welcome back to the drawing board. Today we're going to look at the sound. So, which letters make There are two, and r. Together, they make
Listen carefully for this sound, but don't worry about any names, just the words, as they will help us when we come to practice. Now, let's see what's happening around the world.
First up is Laura, who is stroking the puppy's fur. So, which word in that clip had the sound? It was fur. Let's practice. F and F, fur. Next up is Curtis, who will turn the page once he has finished the chapter. Now, you may have heard turn. So, t, and n, t, n, turn. Now over to Maurice, who is ready to surf. What could we hear this time? It was surf. So, s, and f, s, f, surf. And last but not least, we head back to Curtis, who is now reading the blurb, which is at the back of a book. Now, what was our final word? It was blurb. B, l, and b. B, l, b. Blurb. I hope you enjoyed practicing the sound today. Perhaps you can think of more words which have this sound. See you next time!